Hi folks, this is Kieran. In this quick tutorial we're going to be having a look at the use of the vector tools in Photoshop, so looking at shape layers, creating and customizing vector elements and so on. Fairly fairly useful stuff in that it differs quite a bit from how vectors are used in Illustrator, so we just need to make that distinction. Before I start off, I'm going to go ahead and reset all of my tools so I don't have any things left over from last time. I'll get rid of that. I'm going to set my default colors to start with by pressing the letter D. X switches my colors, as I can see there. The letter D gives me the default colors if I've selected something else. Okay, too easy. Let's go ahead and start a new document. I'm going to name it appropriately, sequencing and calling it something meaningful. I've chosen the A4 preset from the International Paper area. A4, I tend to switch to pixels myself just to get a real idea of the actual resolution. And then OK. Fantastic. The first step that I'm wanting to take is to fill my background layer with the foreground color, which is black. So Option Delete. Of course, it's not a color, but you get my drift. Okay, and from there we're ready to look at the next step.